The underground planet, discovering mysterious creatures beneath the Earth. When we think of life on Earth, we often imagine animals roaming the land, swimming in the oceans, or soaring through the skies. However, beneath our feet lies a hidden world, home to extraordinary creatures that have adapted to some of the harshest conditions on the planet. This underground ecosystem remains largely unexplored and is full of surprises. Some of these creatures live several kilometers beneath the surface, enduring extreme heat, crushing pressure and oxygen-deprived environments. Others have lost their eyesight entirely, relying on senses or even electricity to navigate. There are species that can survive without water, creatures that explode to protect their colonies, and even some that feed on bones or drain the blood of their own kind. Today, we will embark on a journey to uncover 10 of the most mysterious and bizarre creatures that live beneath the Earth's surface. Devil worm, the deepest living creature on Earth. Among all creatures that dwell beneath the Earth's surface, the devil worm Allocephalus mephisto is one of the most astonishing, measuring just 0.5 millimeters in length. This tiny nematode was discovered at an incredible depth of 3.6 kilometers. 2.2 miles below the surface, making it the deepest living multicellular organism ever recorded. The environment where it thrives is extremely harsh. Temperatures reach 48 Celsius 118 F, and the oxygen levels are almost non-existent. Most animals would perish under such extreme conditions, but this microscopic worm has evolved to extract energy from bacteria, live in deep underground water reservoirs. The discovery of the devil worm has led scientists to speculate that similar life forms could exist beneath the surface of Mars or the ice-covered moons of Jupiter and Saturn. 2. Dracula ant, the predator with the fastest bite in the world. The Dracula ant Aditomerma venatrix gets its name from its unique feeding behavior. It sucks the blood of its own larvae for nourishment. However, it does not kill them. Instead, it carefully extracts a small amount of hemolymph, the insect equivalent of blood, from its young. Aside from its eerie feeding habit, this ant holds a world record for the fastest bite. When it strikes, its mandibles snap shut in 0.00015 seconds, which is 5,000 times faster than a human blink. This ability allows the Dracula ant to disable prey almost instantly. Cave scorpion, a blind hunter that thrives in darkness. Scorpions are already known for their hunting skills, but cave scorpions take adaptation to the next level. Unlike their surface-dwelling relatives, these scorpions have no eyes. Instead, they rely on sensitive hairs and vibration sensors on their bodies to detect movement. Since they live in absolute darkness, cave scorpions have evolved to conserve energy, surviving for months without food. When an opportunity arises, they strike with deadly precision, injecting powerful venom that paralyzes their prey instantly. Army termites, the exploding defenders of the underground. Termites are some of the most incredible underground architects, capable of building vast tunnel networks that extend hundreds of meters beneath the surface. However, what makes army termites particularly fascinating is this self-sacrificing defense mechanism. When their colony is attacked, some soldier termites detonate themselves, releasing a sticky, toxic substance that immobilizes invaders. This suicidal strategy is one of the most extreme defensive tactics in the animal kingdom, showing how far underground creatures will go to protect their societies. 5. Eyeless eel, the creature that sees with electricity. The eyeless eel is a species that has lost its vision over time, due to its completely dark environment. Instead of sight, it has developed a unique ability to navigate using electrical pulses. By generating and sensing tiny electric fields, the eel can see objects, detect prey, and even communicate with others of its kind, all without needing eyes. This adaptation is similar to the electrolocation ability of electric fish and sharks. 6. Giant Gippsland earthworm, the underground giant. Earthworms are typically small, but the giant Gippsland earthworm, found only in Australia, is the largest of its kind. This massive worm can grow up to 3 meters 10 feet in length and is so large, its movement creates a gurgling sound underground similar to running water. Because of its slow reproductive rate and specific habitat requirements, the giant Gippsland earthworm is extremely rare, making it one of the most elusive underground creatures. 7. Satanic cave frog, the amphibian that reproduces without water. Most frogs require water to lay their eggs, but the satanic cave frog defies this norm. Instead of depositing eggs in a pond or stream, this species carries its developing young inside its body, giving birth to fully formed froglets. This unique adaptation allows it to survive in dry underground caves, where water sources are scarce. Another strange feature of this frog is that it lacks a tongue, a rare trait among amphibians. 8. Bone-eating worm Ostex, the creature that feeds on skeletons. The bone-eating worm Ostex, sometimes called the zombie worm, has a truly bizarre diet. It feeds on the bones of dead whales that sink to the ocean floor. Unlike most scavengers, Ostex has no mouth, stomach, or digestive system. Instead, it releases powerful enzymes that break down bone material, allowing it to absorb nutrients directly. This fascinating ability makes it a crucial player in the deep-sea ecosystem, recycling nutrients from decaying skeletons. Movable cave spider, a creature that survives in a toxic environment. Discovered in Romania's Movable Cave, a sealed ecosystem that has been cut off from the outside world for 5.5 million years. The Movable Cave spider is one of the most resilient creatures ever found. The cave itself has an atmosphere highly toxic to humans, filled with dangerous gases and almost no oxygen. However, the Movable Cave spider has adapted perfectly, thriving in conditions that would be lethal to most life forms. This species proves that life can endure even in the most extreme environments on Earth. 10. Giant tadpole Triachona, a creature that looks like a snake but isn't one at first glance. A Triachona resembles a large snake, but it is actually a lungless amphibian. This species lacks both lungs and eyes, instead absorbing oxygen directly through its skin. This allows it to survive in deep mud and underground rivers, where it remains hidden from predators. Its bizarre appearance and mysterious lifestyle have led to many myths, but scientists continue to study this strange species to understand how it has adapted to its unique environment. The underground world is home to creatures that defy expectations, evolving in extraordinary ways to survive in darkness, extreme heat, and oxygen-poor environments. From exploding termites to blind predators and even worms that feed on bones, these organisms remind us of the incredible adaptability of life. If you enjoyed this journey into the hidden world beneath our feet, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating discoveries. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update on the most incredible findings in the natural world. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next adventure.